Once you've finished 1 through 8, you will just simply type your answer next to the number that reflects the statements above, and then you can move on to the next portion. So for this portion, you're going to write the vocabulary word in the box based on the definition provided. Okay. Now to do this, you're simply going to read what it says up top. So the definition is without conscious thought or attention spontaneously. You can either use the writing tool, so you could write, this obviously isn't the answer, but what you could do is you could write the writing tool, or you can use the text feature. Either or would suffice. And you're going to do that for each of your vocabulary words. And as they go on, you're going to take the quiz. Now the quiz consists of 6 questions. You're going to read the statement above, and you're simply going to select true or false based off of the statement. So, for example, accomplish is defined as achieve or complete successfully. If you think it's true, you're going to click true. If you think it's false, you are going to select false, and then you can move on to next. And you're going to do this for all of the examples. So there are 6. And then once you complete this, you can click submit. Now the purpose again of learning these vocabulary words is so that when we read our book, which we'll read probably later this week, that you will understand what's going on in the story. And when you understand what's going on in the story, it helps for you to do several things, such as summarize, which is one of our vocabulary words, what you read, and to be able to tell somebody what that story was about and the purpose or the meaning behind the text. Okay, this concludes our vocabulary unit 3 lesson for today.